case. Yun lang, wala nang harang-harang sa trial, ituloy na natin. Kasi kung delay tayo ng delay ng trial, parang impeachment na rin lang to. Well, sa private prosecutor, depende yan syempre kung gusto kang kunin ng mga public prosecutors. When I was a public prosecutor, of course, I have a choice kung sinong mga lawyers ang isasama ko. You should work well dapat with the public prosecutor and be able to give support. So it's up to them. I don't know if they're going to invite me there. But so I would not like to preempt. Baka naman sabihin nila, presumptuous ka naman pag yes ang sasagot ko. Pag no naman sabihin nila, suplado ka. Hindi ka pa nga namin iimbita, nag-no ka na. So sabihin ko na lang, it's up to them. Nasa kanila yan. If they want to get me as a private prosecutor in the impeachment case. But very serious yung kaso ni President Duterte. Ang hiningi ko sa kanya, sana ituloy mo na yung trial. Huwag mo nang harangin yung trial. Mag-present ka ng ebidensya mo doon at yung mga kaanak ng biktima mag-present din. Let the court decide. Depende yan sa ebidensya. So sa akin, kaysa sa harang-harangin niyang trial, question mong jurisdiction, kung ano-anong mga interim release, sabi mo naman wala kang kasalanan, kundi pumunta tayo sa korte at ihahain mo yung ebidensya mo para sabihin na wala akong kinalaman sa EJK nung panahon ko. Siguro, bibilib ako sa iyo pag sa trial na yan, you will show your skills as a lawyer and defend yourself well by submitting the evidence which you said will exculpate you or will acquit you from that case. Yun lang, wala nang harang-harang sa trial, ituloy na natin. Kasi kung delay tayo ng delay ng trial, parang impeachment na rin lang to. Di ba't pa tayo nagkaroon ng mga korte kung ayaw na rin pala magkaso sa korte? The issues continue. For me, the big issues that I would like to go into is legislative reforms. The first, dapat maayos yung mga bycam na yan, yung mga budget na yan, yung mga pork barrel na yan, maayos yan dapat. Yung second na issue ko is electoral reform. Dapat yung issue ng political dynasty, ang pag-reform ng party list to make it a novel constitutional provision that allows the marginalized and underrepresented to be a part of the decision-making process. That's the second. And of course, bilang human rights lawyer, I will still be a human rights lawyer. So that's next for Nery Colmenares. Tuloy lang ang laban.